I'll be showing you how to use features on Google Sheets for budgets. So I kind of drew up something beforehand, but all you do is click in the box and you can put stuff in bold. So like I just kind of made this up. It's just like your paycheck, you can put it here. Dividends, you can put that here, and then your total income. And if there's another. If you have more than one job, you can put like two paychecks, blah blah blah. Put it here, and then like since I just used August as an example, so you can put like your budget here, that differential. Then you can drop it down and you can be able to see. I didn't want to just make up any numbers just because I'm pretty bad at math, so um, it would have looked pretty funky. But I think this is pretty self-explanatory. But you can see all like the differential once you add all these up. But there's multiple ways to be able to do that. But that's the easiest way that I can think. So just while I'm here, I'll show you how to share it. So you just go to share, top right, and just keep it at untitled spreadsheet, save it, and then right here, if you have an email or somebody else has a Google Drive account, you can put their name, and it'll send it to them when you press done, or you can do the link, copy it, and just if you wanted to like cross-platform, if you wanted to give it to them on another email or something, then that's another way to do that. But the link actually works a little better because you can send it to anybody through any way. Back, and then for this part, the templates, there's multiple different ones. This one, a bunch of stuff. There's like a monthly budget template. This can kind of help you plan it out a little better if you don't know how to do it yourself. And this is kind of what I was getting at in the first part. It allows you to plan it out. All this, and there's your differentials. And that's just obviously an example, but if you didn't know how to make your own little budget on the sheets, this is a pretty good idea on how to do that. Like I said, this is really what I was trying to do. I wish I'd have seen this a second sooner before I did this, but it's all the same. So, and again, if you want to share it, same way. But that's about it.